We're going to show a couple of different ways to take care of these holes in the wall with simple items that you already have on the home. Okay, we're going to need a knife. This is optional. Crazy glue is another option, and baking soda. So we're going to start with one. We're going to start using baking soda. So we're going to go with this option first. What we're going to do first is scrape this and make sure we have a very clean, flat surface. Okay, once we have that, the next step is the crazy glue. So I just circle, rub it around. Okay, now that was using crazy glue and baking soda. Okay, so that's completely covered. Now we got a different one over here. So our next step is always clean it, make sure it's got a flat surface, nothing sticking out. Okay, now this time we're gonna be using joint compound. Okay, and the other thing we're gonna be using, now this is an option that you can use also on, not just on small holes but bigger holes. And once you place in the compound, you put a thin plastic over it. Now what this is going to do, once it dries up, all you do is remove the piece of plastic, and there's no need for sanding. The plastic itself will make sure that you have a nice, clean, flat surface. And you just save yourself some time in sanding. So no need for sanding if you use this option. So one of them is crazy glue with baking soda. The other is compound and a piece of thin plastic over it to avoid sanding and having to go through the process all over again until it's finally nice and flat, and then paint. So now once it's completely set and dried, completely dry, just remove the plastic, paint over it, and you're done. As simple as that.